And surprise eggs?
Yes!
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, can you name all the sports balls?
Baseball.
Baseballs.
Yeah.
What kind are those?
And basketball eggs.
Yeah. What kind are those?
Football eggs.
Yep. And what's the last one?
Soccer ball eggs.
Soccer ball eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yay.
Chào, okay, your turn. Here I go. 1,
2, 3, 4. Yay!
And which one do you want to open first? Baseball?
Yeah.
Okay, baseball egg. Open the baseball egg. What is it?
Who's that?
Oh.
Her hair fell off.
Whoa, baby!
Ooh, you got minions.
Look at me!
You got minions.
Yeah, I have off my hair. Whoa, Maiden!
Who's that? It's Mater.
Look at Maiden!
See,
Big!
who's that?
Mama.
What you got?
Whoa! Mama, look at it!
Ooh, Angry Bird. Uh-oh.
It's here. That Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Oh, whoa! Hello Kitty.
Kitty. Not a Hello Kitty.
Daddy,
Oh,
here. There's cartoons. Mom, whoa! That's another angry bird.
is that the pig?
Yeah,
The
this.
Angry Pig.
Yeah, the angry pig. Uh-oh! Spider-Man.
Who's that? I think that's
Give me back.
Iron
Give me
Man.
That's
back.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
this one's
And
Spider-Man.
you got Iron Man. What's in there?
And Hulk.
Hulk.
Whoa. Okay. That's a tomato.
Oh, Mater.
Okay.
Hey.
What the hell's that?
What the heck's that?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Good job.